Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you guys how to update your Wi-Fi driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to right click on your start menu icon, click on settings. After open settings window, click on Windows Update. On your right side, you will get advanced option. Click on that. Here you will get optional updates, so click on that. So here you just need to check any Wi-Fi driver update is showing or not. If it is showing, then you simply just need to check that option and click on download and install. If it is not showing, then follow my next step. Close this window. Now right click on your start menu icon once again. Click on device manager this time. After go to the device manager, you have to expand network adapters. You just need to find your Wi-Fi adapter, then just right click and click on update driver, and here you will get two options. Click on search automatically for drivers, and here you just need to click on search automatically for drivers, and after that it will update from the internet automatically. So I will show you guys another method. So you just need to close and right click on your driver and go to properties. Here you just need to click on driver, and here you will get your driver name. So simply you just need to type your driver name on Google, and after that it will show you some link to download driver. After that you can download from there. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.